Dear brothers and sisters, today I would like to share some scientific research how mind has an effect on the cells of our body and the possibility of living a longer, healthier and disease-free life. Our human body is composed of trillions of cells. A human life starts with a single cell and multiplies to 2 to 4 to 8 up to trillion cells as we grow into adulthood. A cell consists of three parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. The cell's nucleus contains the genes, which in turn controls the cell's growth and replication. The genes consist of chromosomes, which house the DNA. Each of us have unique sets of DNA. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of the cells, and each chromosome is composed of protein and a single molecule of DNA. What is telomere? Telomeres are end part of the chromosomes. Its function is to protect the ends of chromosomes. During every cell division, telomere parts get shorter and shorter while copying it. When the chromosomes run out of the telomeres, part of the DNA is also cut from the chromosomes. This is what causes aging, disease, and conditions like depression. The length of the telomere determines how long one can live. That shows the importance of telomere in our cells. The longer the telomere, longer the lifespan. The shorter the telomere means a shorter life that is prone with aging and disease. Our life is determined by the length of the telomere. Oh, that's fascinating information. So that brings us to a very important question. Is there a way we can increase the size of telomere? A scientist by the name of Elizabeth Blackburn discovered some enzymes called telomerase at the end of telomeres. Here is exciting news for all of us. These telomerase enzymes have the possibility of adding extension to the telomeres. When these enzymes work, the telomeres get longer and longer. The cells divide on and on and on without running out of the DNA, as the telomerase keeps the telomere growing. Now this gives us an understanding that every time our cell dies and regenerates, it copies the DNA. It can only copy till it has telomere. Once we run out of telomere from our genes, our body starts degenerating. Aging starts at this point. Here is a good news that we can increase the size of telomere with the help of telomerase enzyme. Now very important question comes up. How can we activate the telomerase enzymes? There is a study by Dr. Bruce Lipton where in his book Biology of Belief, it states that genes and DNA do not control the cells of our body. Instead, DNA is controlled by signals from outside the cell, our mind being the biggest influencer. The messages emanating from our positive and negative thoughts have a bigger impact on our DNA and hence the cells of our body. He says that when you appreciate life, when you have a gratitude and are full of love and happiness, then our thoughts create a positive belief. This will in turn have an effect on our mind, which in turn impacts the production of the telomerase enzyme and the length of your telomere, resulting in a healthier and longer life. This research may now give us an insight into how yogis in India lived longer. With regular practice of yoga, which included pranayam and meditation practices, sattvic diet, and leading a life full of gratitude, they must be activating these telomerase enzymes in their cells, which enable them to live much longer lives. In a study on meditation and telomere length, published in the journal Annals of the New York Academy of Sciences in 2005, researchers found that meditation can reduce mental stress, increase positive state of mind, balance hormonal factors that may promote telomere maintenance. There are many other ways to increase the size of telomeres and live longer life. In the YouTube video, The Healing Power of Gratitude by Dr. Bruce Lipton explains more about telomeres and the correlation to gratitude. I urge you to read the book The Telomere Effect, a revolutionary approach by Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn. In short, we have the power to change our life and create the one filled with happiness, joy, and health for long, long time. Happiness and health are rewards of living in gratitude. Understanding the science of our body and mind can help to lead us to a healthier and longer life. Namaste. You are most welcome to join us in search of yoga with the intention of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family.